If you want to uninstall the app mall on Redmi A7 Pro, then unfortunately it is of course not possible to just simply do so. If you have the app mall app on your phone, then you cannot just get rid of it. It is just simply not possible to completely uninstall the app no matter what. However, what we can do is we can change a region where the app mall is simply not available. So in this case, I'm just gonna open the settings. There we go. We're gonna scroll all the way down and go to additional settings. Now over here, you want to choose the region option, and then we need to choose the region which does not have the app mall. For example, we can choose United States. And if I switch my region to United States and I go back to the app drawer, there we go. Then as you can see now, the app mall is gone. It is still installed somewhere on the phone, but I just cannot access it, at least not so easily. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.